Hi, so we're here today at Acton Pigott farm. We're installing some new Miele laundry equipment for John Owen for his student accommodation. Come and take a look. So this is the building where John has built his laundry room. As I said, it's on the farm. There's some really smart student accommodation here for a local college, and this is the laundry room just here with the doors open. And here's John's laundry room, complete with his new Miele equipment. We have a PT8303 electric dryer and 3-phase, and two PW6080 washing machines. Again, both on 3-phase, very stable electricity supply, and ideally suited for John's student accommodation here. He's also bought a small HM1680 rotary iron. So as mentioned, this is some of the student accommodation that John's built here on Acton Pigott farm. As you can see, it's not your general run-of-the-mill student accommodation. Everything's been finished to extremely high standards, and the students who live here, I think, truly appreciate the quality of what John's built. Completing this installation for John has been an absolute pleasure. It's really good to be able to work with someone who knows exactly what they want, and is also able to install all the plumbing, electrics and drainage that we needed for the installation prior to us attending today. The job's gone extremely well, and we're truly hopeful that John is happy with the end result.